Hello students, welcome back to the 7th video of this playlist. So in this video, we will be solving question number 7 from Pure Mathematics 2 October 2024 P2 paper. So let's see what's the question number 7 from this most recent P2 paper is about. Okay, so here you go. You can see question number 7 on the screen. Basically, the concepts behind question number 7, it's from sequence and series that has been discussed in chapter number 5 of your Pure Mathematics 2 textbook. So to be more specific, you need to have idea about series, geometric, and what arithmetic series. Already we had a question related to sequence in question number 2. Okay, so now it is specifically based on what series. So let's get started with question number 7. Okay, Jam pays money into a savings scheme A over a period of 300 months. Okay, the period is given as what? 300 months. Okay, Jem pays 20 pounds into a scheme A in month 1, 20.50 pound in month 2. In the second month he pays 20.5, and in the first month he paid 20 pounds. Okay, in month 3 he paid what? 21 pounds, and so on. Okay, fine. So that the amounts Jem pays each month form an arithmetic what? Sequence. Okay, fine. So part A is asking to show that Jem pays 69.50 pounds into scheme A in month 100. So that means we need to find out in like how much Jem pays in the 100th month. Okay, so uh, at first you need to figure out what it's not figure out, it's already given. It is what? Arithmetic sequence. So for arithmetic sequence, what we know, we will have a common difference, right? So what's the common difference here? For part A, common difference is how much? Let's figure out. First month is 20, second month is 20.50, third month is what? 21. So that means the common difference is 0. What? 50. So the amount paid in the 100th month will be which term? First term. First term is first month. Second month is what? Second term of the sequence, right? And third month is the third term. That means 100th month would be the 100th term of this sequence. So A100, it would be what? A100 will be A. The first term of the sequence is what? A equals to 21. Is it 20? Yeah, it's 20. So A plus n minus 1, that is 99, times what? A is 20, and n minus 1 is what? 100 minus 1, which is 99, times D. D is half, right? So you will get the value. It's what? 99 times 0.5. This is basically 49.5 plus 20, which is exactly 69.5. Okay, we got 69.5. Okay, so what? Jem pays how much? In pounds. In pounds he pays how much? 69.5 pounds, isn't it? Okay, so 69 point what? 5 pounds in month 100. And that's what part A has asked for. Fine. Okay, next is part B. Part B is asking to find the total amount that Jem pays into scheme A over the period of 300 months. That means we need to find out the sum of the first 300 terms. Okay, that's fine. So what's the formula for finding the sum of what? the first 300 terms of an arithmetic sequence, it is what? S of n equals to what? N over 2 times what? 2a plus n minus 1 times what? D, right? So this is the formula for finding the sum of what? N terms. So we need sum of 300 terms. It will be what? 300 over 2 times twice of a. So twice of a is what? 40 plus n minus 1 is 299 times d is half, right? So what you will get, the sum of the total amount of money paid, it is 150 times what? 299 times half, that would give you 149.5 plus 40, it is 379 over 2. So that is basically 28425, 28425. So total money paid is how much? Money paid, okay, it's paid is in pounds, it is what? 28425 pounds. Okay, and that's what exactly part B has asked for. Fine. Next is part C. So in part C, they are saying Kim pays money into a different savings scheme B over the same period of what? 300 months. Okay, fine. In a model, the amount Kim pays into scheme B increased by the same percentage each month. So earlier one was arithmetic, now it is what? It is geometric, right? So the amount Kim pays each month form a geometric what? Sequence, because it is increasing by the same percentage, so it is what? Geometric. It has a common ratio. Given that Kim pays 20 pounds into scheme B in the first month, okay, and 250 pounds into scheme B in month 300. In 300th month, Kim pays what? 250 pounds. Okay. So part C is asking to use the model to calculate to the nearest 10 pounds the difference between the total amount paid into scheme A and the total amount paid into scheme B over the period of 300 months. Okay, so we need to find out the difference that is paid in total in 300 months for scheme A and scheme B. Already for scheme A, that is the arithmetic sequence, we got in part B the total amount paid. Okay, now we need to find out the total amount paid into scheme B. Okay, so since scheme B is basically what? Geometric, so we need to figure out the common ratio at first. So first term is given as 20, right? A equals to what? 20. Okay, A is 20 and the 300th term, isn't it? First month is the first term, second month is the second term, so 300th month would be the 300th term. Okay, so the 300th term is what? Nth term of a geometric sequence is what? A of n equals to a r to the power n minus 1, right? So what we can write? 20 r to the power n minus 1. N is what? 300, right? So 300 minus 1 is 299. This is equals to how much? It is equals to 250. If I am not wrong, it is 250. Okay, so the value for r to the power 299, it is what? 25 over 25 over 2. 250 over 20 is 25 over 2. Okay, so what you will get the value for r, it is 25 over 2 to the power 1 over 299, isn't it? 299. So okay, we keep it exact, no problem. So we got the common ratio, right? Now we will find out for the scheme B the sum of the first 300 terms. It is what? The common ratio. Let's find out the common ratio. Is it greater than 1 or less than 1? Because on that fact the formula for the sum of the terms depends on, right? So we got 25 over 2. So this is what it's greater than 1. So that means the formula would be a times a is what 20 times r to the power n. r is basically 25 over 2 to the power n. n, okay, its power is 1 over 299, so it will be 300 over 299 minus 1 second bracket, okay, over r minus 1. r is 25 over 2 to the power 1 over 299 minus 1. So the value would be okay, we got the value for r. So 20 times r to the power n is what, 300, right? Okay, minus 1 divide r minus 1. So this is basically 27362.94829. okay, so we need to find out the difference. So difference is how much? Which one is larger value? We got 27362 here, and the previous one was 28425. So 28425 is larger. 28425 minus 27362.9 and then dot dot dot. Okay, so the difference would be 28425 minus 27362.94829. So you will get 1062.05 what, 1707. okay, so we got the difference is how much pound? The difference is to the nearest 10 pounds, right? It is basically 1000, nearest is what, 60 pounds. okay, and that's what exactly part C of question number 7 has asked for. Fine.